All right, got two of these PC51s earlier. The first one I got felt like it wouldn't fit at all. The second one initially seemed like it wouldn't fit, then I just basically pushed harder and it went on okay. So let's see how it works now. So here's one. I don't remember which one's which. So let's see. So that one fit. It goes on with quite a bit of force. So we'll see me drop that one. So to the side, try the second one. And yeah, it too. So like one of those I thought was bad, but they both fit on. So I think the trick is to just push harder. And also like that little tab up in the corner, if you maybe come in from the top, snag it and then push down and in. So there you go. So I didn't lead you astray.